I've got a healthy dose of Hollywood glamour for you guys today with a brand new multi-million-dollar mansion in the middle of Toorak. It is so new, in fact, that I'm the first person to go inside this home. Well, technically, I mean, there would have been architects, builders, tradies, painters, stylists, and then photographers. Anyway, I'm the first civilian to go inside and experience this home. So let's go see if it's as good as they say it is. I love that massive solo palm. That is very cool. The white contrast. We've got a very Palm Springs vibe going on here. Ooh. Bit of security. Look at this. Oh my gosh, incredible timber doors. Look at the height of this. Come in, guys, this is good. Look at this curved wall on entry. This is, oh my gosh, phenomenal. We're home, guys, welcome. All right, first this way. I love the height. There's a beautiful fluidity in here. This is incredible. Formal living area, incredibly cozy with that fire going, and oh my God, the comfiest seat I've ever sat in. I feel like I could just stay here all day, but I'm well aware we've got a home tour to do. Let's keep going. From one living room to another. Okay, now we're talking. I really, really like this home. Let's see if, oh, guys, they left me a present. Pretty good way to start a home tour. That'll do it. Look at this incredible living room. Another amazing couch. This is insane. Again, with the curves, they're everywhere through this building, even the furniture. I love that. And hello, just a cheeky dining table for 10 of your closest. Sit here, look out over your pool, your living area, your kitchen. Cheers. A pretty epic sized kitchen, and I mean, why wouldn't you? You need an epic sized kitchen for catering for 10 guests. You've got, it looks like 4 different ovens over there, but to be honest, I mean, would you be cooking in this home, or would you just be bringing in caterers? Am I right? Am I right? Ooh. Don't forget that. Let's keep exploring. Look at that amazing stairwell. Oh my gosh, that is insane. All right, we're coming back. We've got a powder room through here. Oh, this has got a beautiful feeling to it. Guest bedroom. Good size walk-in robe. Oh, I love this. Get ready. Looking amazing. A massive ensuite bathroom. Very private, very luxurious. Decision time. Up or down? I'm gonna go down, guys. I sense den vibes. Look at the size of this garage. Oh, holy mother of garage. Very cool. So now we are talking. We have got epic bar and wine cellar. I mean, does it get any better than this? The answer is no, it doesn't get better. Look at this. Pick my favorite wine. What am I gonna do? Oh, do you know what? Maybe I'm gonna trade up. Maybe I want some whiskey. How cool is that artwork? let's hit that deadline. All right guys, it's time to go up. Next level staircase. Oh my gosh, look at that skylight. Look at the light coming in here. This is quite spectacular. There is so much light up here. We're going exploring, come on. All right, we've got another bedroom through here. Oh, this is a triangle bedroom, I love it. This has got so much light in here. I love that light timber wall paneling. Oh, it's just so scrumptious. It's so cozy up here as well. Oh, and that's a really clever little detail. They've made use of that corner space with a little office area. Plus we've got, okay, hello, walk-in robe. Again, every bedroom has their own massive walk-in robe. Plenty of storage, that's cool. Really good light in here, really good light. A huge ensuite bathroom. This is ridiculously big. Love it. Another bedroom, another massive ensuite bathroom. Another walk-in robe, of course. Very cool. This house, generous proportions. Everywhere we go, just saying. We've got a laundry through here. Just another chill out zone, another living room area. Again with the curves. What's behind the doors? Master suite time, you ready? Oh, hello, a bedroom of my dreams, but not just a bedroom, I've got my own living area. What master bedroom wouldn't be complete without its own bar? I mean, of course, you need a drink near your bed. Hang on, a massive walk-in robe. This is insanely big and generous, and oh my God, I love it. You've got ball gowns. You know, you need ball gowns really for all those fancy charity dinners you get invited to. Let's try this on, shall we? Yeah, I could rock this. This is so big, double sinks, a huge bath, a huge shower. You've got like 4 shower heads. And then you've got your own spot to get ready in the morning, put your makeup on. I think this suits me. What do you reckon? Oh, how cute. This is his walk-in robe. It's not as big, but you know, he doesn't need as much room as her. They've got their priorities straight. Another really good sized bedroom. This has got an incredible feel to it. It's very light and calm in here. There's an amazing view of the pool down below. We need to go check that out later. I'm thinking there's another big bathroom. What? Oh, and walk-in robe, of course. But look at this curved wall. Oh my gosh. The curves in this home are really something special. Oh, beautiful starlight as well. That's punching a lot of light in here. It's just got an incredible warm and organic and natural feel to it, this room. Take a look down there. That is so special. Let's go outside, we've got to check out that pool area. How is that? I love how that opens up completely to the outside. You've got a seriously good sized outdoor entertaining area. Barbecue here. I'm sensing you could probably fit plenty of snags on that. Very cool. What mansion would be complete without its own pool bathroom and shower? Coming in. This is pretty special. Do your laps in the morning. Oh, that is a good temperature. I love it. Oh, and this is smart. You've got a big window that opens up into the kitchen and into the bar, so if you feel like you're ready for your Aperol Spritz, you just place your order. I lost my first glass. Luckily there's another one. All right, 3 things. First of all, this couch is the comfiest couch I've ever sat on. Second, this is probably the most impressive home I have ever been in. And third, the champagne tastes really good. This home obviously is absolutely massive. I mean, there are so many incredible spaces and rooms to explore. But I think the most impressive thing about this home is its sculptural design. Those incredible curves. It feels like you're almost in an artwork. And I mean, we've got to talk about that staircase. That staircase is ridiculous. And I feel like I'm in a shell. It's amazing kind of feeling when you're walking up and down those stairs. It really takes you on an incredible journey. There's so much light that comes through with that amazing circular skylight. It punches so much light in, and it really kind of changes your perspective as you move around the home, and it really is the showcase. It's the center point. It is the 100% the hero of this home. It has a swimming pool. It has that beautiful cobbled driveway. It's got Italian marble tiles throughout. It's got that huge 5-car basement, that insanely beautiful double flight sculpted staircase, that very luxurious wine cellar and bar downstairs that opens up into that incredible home cinema, fully equipped butler's pantry that complements that amazing kitchen overlooking the dining and living room area, awesome outdoor entertaining with a barbecue kitchen as well as a pool bathroom, so you have changing facilities, of course. You've got incredibly big and generous ensuite and dressing rooms for every single bedroom. And oh my God, that master suite, that is just next level luxurious. It's got its own living area. It's got its own bar, plus his and her walk-in robes. I love how they've really got their priorities right. The her robe is like 3 times as big as his. Plus that bathroom is absolutely insanely big. Double sinks. You've got an area to get ready in the morning with that beautiful makeup space. I mean, I'd pretty much be happy just to live in that suite on its own right there. The bath has a skylight directly above it, and that punches a lot of light in. And do you know what? They've done that a lot with a lot of the bathrooms as well. They've really strategically placed their skylights to draw as much light in as possible. And it does create a really lovely sense in this home. It does have a very warm Palm Springs vibe to it. I mean, they've got a lot of that Palm Springs, that epic palm tree as soon as you walk through that front door greets you, and it contrasts beautifully with that sharp white contrast of the exterior. And then once you come in and you see that sculpted staircase, that curved wall, I mean, heaven. The living areas in this home are really something special. I think there's like 3 main living areas, plus then you've got the living area up in the master suite. And then you've also got that living area outside as well with all that outdoor entertaining. There's so many different places to hang out. And do you know what? The styling of those living rooms is next level luxurious. The furniture in those rooms is so premium, so beautiful. And I mean, it completely suits this home and the type of person that would live here. These couches are just insane. They are so high-end, they're so beautiful, but also they're really sculptural and they really suit the curved nature of this home, and it creates a really lovely organic feel. You know, there's not a lot of hard, harsh lines. It's very soft, it's very natural, and it makes you feel incredibly calm as soon as you walk through the doors. There's a very clear separation of levels, which I really like because it's a 3-level home, but the main level which you walk in on is clearly, it's the place to be, it's the living area, it's where the activity and energy is. When you descend those stairs down to that lower basement level, it's a very different feeling. It's a lot darker, it's very moody, it's very private, and I just love the feeling that you get in there. It really is a place where you can go and kind of get away from the world. You know, it doesn't have a lot of that natural light that the other layers have, whereas the middle and then the higher layers, you know, they're all about letting the natural light in. And when you go up the stairs to that incredible top floor, you're greeted with that amazing circular skylight. There's so much natural light, but every single bedroom, whilst it lets a lot of the natural light in, they can also easily be closed down and then they become your own private sanctuary. My favorite thing about this home is all of the bars that are just strategically placed on every level. I love that. There's always spot for some drinking and entertaining. And also it just has me thinking about Christmas, because I feel like I'm just gonna be sitting at home waiting for my invitation, because Christmas in this pad is gonna be epic. This home has curves in all the right places. It's also got one of the most enviable postcodes in Melbourne. Plus, it's been designed with a very luxurious lifestyle in mind. Yes, he's still here, guys. Thanks for sticking around. That was a long one. If you liked this video, make sure you hit the like button and comment. I really want to know what you thought of this home. Plus, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. We've got way more Let Us In home tours coming your way. Cheers. Shall I get some more champagne? Some more champagne?
Sure.
Okay. Okay, I will. Perks.
Not on the Italian tiles.
Saved it though, didn't I? Done that before. Done that before.